Hello and welcome back. People like us, we love to upgrade things. This is the machine from Korea. It's called Rocio Manus S. This is a heat exchange machine. It's fantastic. Okay, it looks great. I recently upgraded from my Bravo Barista Pro. I had it for quite some time now, so it's a time to upgrade it. But okay, again, like I say, it's nothing wrong with this machine. But friends at Pesado, shout out to Andre, and they work with people at Rocio. They come up with these attachments. Okay, the attachment, the powder as well. Pesado is known for their coffee tools, so they come up with a very unique design. So you know what? Let's put it on there and let's talk about it. As you can see, it looks really good. I love this accent, the knobs, and the portafilter handle as well. It's not gonna make your coffee feel any better than before. Okay, that's for sure. But at least it looks pretty cool. Okay, it looks pretty cool. Is that worth the money for you? Upgrading it to something unique? It all depends, right? It depends on what you're looking for in your coffee bar. If you have the money, guys, go right ahead. Okay, just if you go to Pesado website, they have different types of colors as well, different accents. So you're gonna have some fun with it. Anyway, let's brew some coffee. All right, let's give it a try. It looks pretty good to me. Cheers, guys. Yeah, it's great. Again, I do enjoy dark roast coffee lately, especially at home. Cold out, and it's nothing like nice, thick, and chocolatey espresso. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I'm planning on doing a lot more, like edited video like this. Just get to the point. But same time, we're gonna do our daily live streaming as well. Anyway, see you guys next time.